Hey Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For this video, we are currently in Siargao, and for today I am going to be showing you another resort that you can check out while you're here. So this was a last minute booking, and we were looking for something that's not too far from the paddle court, still really nice, and also is beachfront. So we were lucky, as despite us having to book 3 days before actually coming here, we were able to find this cute boutique hotel. So yeah, I want to show you guys around in case it's someplace that you want to stay in. And yeah, for me, I like it because it's really cozy. It's really quiet. It's been very quiet so far. The sheets are thick, which is a plus for me. You have hot water, you have a great restaurant, and it's walking distance from a lot of places in this area. So let's go and check out this resort. It's called the Luyong, and we are by the pool area now. The pool is really nice and cozy, and we also have the view of the ocean. I feel like this resort is very Filipino inspired. It feels like a nice, sophisticated cottage type. But before I go and talk about the rooms, here's what the beachfront looks like. It is kind of low tide right now, and earlier this morning you could actually go swimming because the tide actually reached all the way up to here, but you can see now that it is very low tide and it is a bit of a walk to go to the ocean. But the good thing is you can actually stroll around the beach to see the different resorts, because yeah, it's very walkable. But when it's high tide, it's actually not walkable at all, because the waves, especially now we're here in February, the waves are actually quite big. So I don't think it's possible for us to just stroll along the beach in this side of town. Oh, my flower fell off. You can see the wind's a bit strong. So anyway, let's head back to the rooms. So I am staying in this resort with my good friends Meg and Rave. We got 2 rooms. Meg and Rave got the pool view, and me and Cress got the sea view. So, but for me, there's not much difference because I feel like the sea view and the pool view is pretty much facing the swimming pool. So it's super nice locations. So let's head over to the sea view, and I'll show you a little bit of the room. And here is Cress. He's chilling as we just finished a paddle game. Hi babe.
Hello. Enjoy the tour.
Enjoy the tour. I think my flower is barely surviving this room tour, so I'm just gonna leave it here for now. But anyway, as you can see, that the room is actually very cozy, very sophisticated. I like how they have a little bit of accents in different places. It adds a little bit of the vibe to the place. Wooden couch, yeah, very comfortable, and king size bed. Now let's head over to just see the garden area, because I think that is a nice thing about this resort. It has a very beautiful garden. And if you guys know that if you are in General Luna, you will be hearing most of the motorbikes, because it's just one main road in Siargao where all the vehicles pass. Well, there is a back road, but there is that one main road, and I feel like it's nice to stay in a place that's still quite central, but you also get the quiet. So the rooms are closer to the beach, and you have a lot of plants that kind of lessens all the noise from the outside vehicles. Yeah, you can see that there are so many flowers. There are roses, So you can hear now we are heading towards the road, and the rooms are quiet at night because we are quite far from the main road. You do have a parking spot if you want to rent a motorbike just over here, and yeah, just a few more steps and then we are in the main Siargao road, which ideally is not a place you want to have your hotel room by because it can get loud, especially if you are in Siargao for the peace and quiet. Alright, now let me show you a glimpse of the restaurant. Although we haven't tried eating here yet, so I cannot give you guys feedback on the food here. But because Siargao is really known for delicious food in different restaurants, we have decided to not get breakfast included, so it gives us the option to actually try breakfast in other places. But if you think, if you're here for the vlog, for the ambiance, let me show you the restaurant. And last stop of this really short resort tour here in Siargao is the lobby, or the main area. Just to give you guys a glimpse, you can play billiards and you could just chill here, work. They have Starlink, so yeah, I guess it's a good spot for you guys to chill and work as well. Well, for me, I prefer the pool area, but this is a glimpse of the area. So like other hotels, they can also organize all the tours for you. They can also organize surf lessons, and if you want to rent motorbikes, they also have it available in this hotel. So not a problem. And if you have other questions, if you want to do other things, then you can just ask the reception for anything that you need. Anyway, that's it for this resort tour here in Siargao. Short and sweet for this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do have other room tours in Siargao that I've done. I'll be leaving the link below. Hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next adventure. Bye for now.